Hi everyone, welcome back to Stu's Old Cars. This time I'm on the MGB. I'm going to be removing all the bits and pieces off of the door. So don't need many spanners, like 7/16 from what I can see, Phillips screwdriver, and I've got my drill because there's a couple of rivets in the trim at the top. So yeah, let's undo it all. Right, what do I do with the spanners? I've got them out ready and they're not ready. Because I need something to turn this as well. That derb is big enough. I can't remember what position it needs to be in, but I'll wind it down for now and then we'll unbolt it all. We need to be able to move it all so that we can unhook the window in a minute. Right, first thing, undo this pillar. Bag and tag all of these bits. So that's just a Phillips. And that one's 13mm on the inside there. This one's 7/16 so. Oh, this one's a nut and bolt. That's that one out. I just undo everything. I'll get that one in a minute. That one's 13, well not 13, it's 1/2 inch. I'm just going to undo everything. That one a nut and bolt. That one out. One of the front runners. Whiz all these out now. I'm quite lucky with these doors. These doors have been replaced in the past. They're still like brand new. One less job to do. Alright, feel about that. That's sort of wiper mechanism off loose. There we go, and that's that out. That's the glass out. Put that over there. Let's see if we can fill this out of here. Set mechanism out. Pop that over there. That's the rear runner. That's off of there. Right, now we need to undo these bolts here, and I think there's one down in the behind these covers as well. I don't know whether you can see that. Let me just tilt it back a little bit. Right, yeah, so you got a couple of covers here, then there's a couple of bolts here which holds this in. I was going to say I'll get a little screwdriver to pop that out, but it just pops straight out. I can't remember whether there's one up on in behind there as well. There's one in there? Yeah, there's one in there. There's one in there, one in there, one there, one there. So we go for the awkward ones first. 7/16 again. That's one of them. That one's a little awkward. I can't get my socket on there. See if I can get the open-ended part on it to get it started. Oh, that's really awkward, that one. Right on the edge of the hole. Just going to get a screwdriver and just try and tweak the edge slightly. I'm going to undo these other two first. Oh, that's not 7/16. I thought they were 7/16 as well. I think they're 3/8. Yeah, these two are 3/8. So ignore that bit that I said a minute ago. I lied. Hopefully if I undo these two, I might better tweak that one and get the socket in there. A little bit fiddly, but not exactly difficult. Try not to drop it in the bottom of the door. Alright, let's see if we can get that in there now. No, that's not 3/8 as well, is it? No, it's only 7/16. That's it. I've tweaked it over slightly. Now I can get it on there. I'll have to remember that when it goes back together. Get this one in first. That's it. That's that one out. And now this should come out like so. I think you should probably take that off as well, because it'll pull up easier then. That was a bit tight then. Alright, we'll save that little rubber doodah. And we'll pop all these back on there so we don't lose them. Right, anyway, I will do that in a minute. Let's because this top piece is riveted along here, which you might not be able to see again now. Let's just tilt it back down a little bit. So you've got a few rivets along here, which holds this chrome piece with the rubber seal attached to it. The front part's held down by them bolts that I just undone. So we'll try to drill these out. One. That one's a little bit awkward, but that end one's still got the centre part of the rivet still in it, sticking out. That doesn't want to start. We'll go. You want to take this off. I suppose if you wanted to change this rubber, you might need to take it all apart. Obviously I'm taking it apart because the whole car's got to be painted. There's also a little trim piece on here that's got to be removed. There we go, riveted on. I'm going to bag all this lot up in a minute. I still can't get this to start. I might have to knock this one. I don't really want to do. Don't really like doing this, but that's it, and that's that bit removed. The only bits left on here now, there's a bolt there, but I think that's a stop for the window, I think, of some sort. I've still got the lock in it, but I'm not taking the lock off at the moment. But yeah, so that is how you get the window and the mechanism out the door on an MGB. Thanks for watching.